Is your mind ready?
Oh, I was born ready.
You only have 2 minutes.
Just lay it on me. I'll make it the best 2 minutes of your life.
All right. You have no tools.
No tools at all.
So let's get started.
Yes.
On your speaking session.
Just lay it on me.
This is my challenge to you. Describe a national festival in your country, when it takes place, why it takes place, and what the people do during this festival, and explain why this festival is important to you.
Okay. The only thing that sticks in my mind is a festival. Do I get a minute of preparation?
No, you don't.
All right. Challenge accepted.
The best can never wait.
Okay. Shall we begin?
Please begin.
All right, so today I'm going to tell you about a national holiday of Vietnam. All right, so Vietnam has a bunch of holidays, but what I'm going to tell you about today is something not quite unique to Vietnam. I wouldn't say it's indigenous to the country because it's celebrated by Asian people, you know, all around the world. It's sort of a cliche, but it's the Tet Holiday. It goes by many names. Some people call it Chinese New Year. I think it might be the most popular name for it. Some people call it Lunar New Year. It's also another popular name. Obviously in Vietnam we call it Tet. So Tet is the, you know, the equivalent of Christmas and New Year's Eve. We welcome a new start, right? And usually it's like I was saying, it's the Asian answer to Christmas. So it's a time for family gatherings, for reunions, for, you know, good food and good company. So there are a bunch of things that the Vietnamese people do on Tet, right? And food is huge. Food is a big deal during, you know, the Tet holiday, the Tet week, right? And we have a lot of staples, Vietnamese staples that we only bring out, right, on Tet, right? So some of the usual suspects are the trứng cake, which is like the square cake. The texture is not similar to cake, but it's made from glutinous rice. It sounds kind of bizarre to a foreigner, but just gotta try it to believe it. It's really good. I am usually not here for Tet Holiday, so I don't know all the other things that people eat, but you know, the square cake thing is a must. It's non-negotiable. So besides all the eating and drinking, there's a custom that we observe pretty religiously. It's giving people lucky money. So it's kind of akin to exchanging gifts on Christmas Day and on Christmas Eve. But we Asian people are more pragmatic, right? So we don't want to get people something that they're not going to use. So we're just going to give them cold, hard cash, so they can spend it on anything that they want, right? And we do it, you know, in a very polite way. We, you know, slip the money into a nice red envelope, and the red color supposedly signifies luck and good fortune. So it's kind of like a way to say good luck to the recipient. What else can I talk about for the Lunar New Year holiday? Am I running out of time?
You are running out of time.
Okay, so
you kind of took your time there.
Can I stop, or should I?
Maybe you should stop.
Okay.
All right. So that was a very fluent delivery. You tensed up a little bit there. You got a little bit uptight.
Yes, I did. I blame the liquor.
Now let's get you relaxed.
Học với Elsa, bạn sẽ nhận được phản hồi chính xác và tức thì cho từng từ bạn nói, tới từng âm bạn nói. Bạn sẽ được chấm điểm bản xứ và chỉnh sửa lỗi phát âm ngay lập tức. Học mà như chơi, chơi mà vẫn học, coi chừng bị nghiện nha. Nhưng không sao cả, vì đó là thứ nghiện ngập duy nhất có lợi cho bạn.